An electric water fountain is a simple way to transform your yard or indoor spaces. The tranquil sounds of a fountain help you unwind after a stressful day. But what happens when the pump no longer works? Your water fountain is not a loss. You can replace the pump for many more years of enjoyment. It may be confusing trying to figure out which pump will work for your fountain, so we're here to help. Sunnydaze Decor has a selection of replacement pumps that are sure to fit your fountain. Here are our pumps and the types of fountains they will fit. The JR 150 models are best for tabletop fountains or smaller outdoor fountains that require a flow rate of 40 gallons per hour and have a max lift of 1.6 feet, such as these 16 to 17-inch tall fountains. Small to medium-sized fountains ranging from roughly 23 to 36 inches that require a flow rate of roughly 70 gallons per hour and max lift of 1.6 feet, similar to these fountains, would need the JR 250L replacement pump. The JR 800 replacement pump is best for larger outdoor fountains that are between 35 and 52 inches tall, require a flow rate of 200 gallons per hour, and a max lift of 4.3 feet. Finally, larger fountains that range from 40 to 80 inches tall require a high flow rate of 660 gallons per hour with a max lift of 9.2 feet would need a stronger replacement pump such as the JR 2500 FH. Just because your existing fountain pump stops working, it doesn't mean your fountain is trash. Replace your broken pump with the right sized replacement pump and enjoy many more years of relaxation and tranquility.